birdie. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Yeah, it's okay. Wait, let's turn the camera like that. There. Hey guys, it's Bro Gamer. We're back with another video. And say Harper from the last video. No kung fu today. No kung fu. Hey! Don't! I'm gonna kick you. Go over there.
Hey, I can be here if I want.
Don't go on the grass. She's just a poor little bird.
I'm gonna feed it.
We found it. Harper found him on the street. You put it right there. Oh, I wish we could build a little nest.
We can.
With what?
Sticks.
But we can't go near it.
Panting.
But we can't go near it.
Yeah, we can.
But it'll probably snap or something.
The girl who picked it up, it didn't snap her. It was like this.
Do that again? Yeah, so.
You pretty birdie. Can birds even hear?
Yeah, but.
Oh God, look.
What?
There's a bug.
Where?
There's bugs.
Where? Oh. Only got before birdie. So you want? Wait, Harper, no. Hold on a second. Come on. I think I have a nest in a tree that birds abandoned a couple months ago. So you can go see that.
Yeah,
I think I've abandoned them.
but I cannot go in the backyard.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. So now I'm gonna go and get.
Oh, I saw the chipmunk again.
Oh, that little baby chipmunk.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a little. Guys,
Chipmunk Jr.
there's baby chipmunks living behind the little door, like that we put on the side of the house. So,
Oh, it's under
where's that
there.
nest? Where? Where's it? Shh, shh. Don't move again. I might get this on YouTube. Where is it?
It ran.
Oh, anyway. Okay, so let's go find Remember we saw a little nest in here? Oh, we had a little nest. Where'd the little nest go? Oh, there it is. Right here. Harper, come here. Right here. Oh, it broke. No, it broke. The poor nest broke. We need to rebuild it. How? Plus, it's too small anyways. What are you going to use now? What are we going to use now? Hang on, let me take this helmet off after video. Sorry, this helmet makes me look stupid. Okay.
I know what to do.
What?
You know those thingies that were in the nest?
Yeah.
Dead grass?
Yeah.
All you have to do is knit it up.
How?
But we need big pieces.
Boy, what? My grandma can knit. Interesting video today. What? This is. I know, stupid. Okay. Oh yeah, this is gonna work.
Or we can have a big giant.
What's that noise? What's that big? Be quiet, be quiet. Don't take another step. Shh, we gotta be quiet, guys. I don't know if you can hear that. Look at this one. Look at this Bang. Oh, I think they're building houses over there, remember? Okay. Let's go back to the baby bird. Wait.
Well, first we need to make a nest.
What if we give it a baseball? Okay, yeah, I'm so mean. Ooh, I got a good idea. Does it need food? Worms? Can you pick up worms?
Yeah.
I can pick up worms.
Yeah. We need to dig worms up.
So we need to find worms, but do you have a rock we can pick up and find some worms? Oh, what about those rocks in your yard? Pick them up and see if there's ants. Worms under there.
You come with me.
I'm coming.
Let's look.
Already 6 minutes into it. Oh my, good tree.
How long is that?
It's already 6 minutes. I don't know. Probably like 14 minutes, 15.
Well, we're explorers.
So, but I'm the one who's I'll give the bird the first worm and see if it's okay if I can go near it and stuff. And then you can give it the worm. But you gotta make sure, go near it and hold the worm high in the air. Once it puts its mouth open, put the worm in there. So you have some rocks here you can lift up, right?
You can lift them up too.
Oh, not that one.
This one?
How about that one? Can't one hand. Oh, shoot. Can't rest the camera somewhere, can I? Yeah, it's not gonna work. I have to use one hand.
Well, we need time.
Yeah, it's too big. Oh, come on. Ah! No. Oh, okay.
Now we need to dig.
I don't know what that is.
And we can make a nest out of this.
Okay, probably have
The
to
fairy
end.
nest.
I'll probably have to end the video here. Guys, I think I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!